Hey there, future UPSC champ. Ready to crack one of the toughest exams out there? Well, guess what? We've got your back with our UPSC Prelims Champions Kit. It's not just a prep kit, it's your first step in achieving one of your life's biggest milestones. Your kit will include over 250 full-length mock tests, 200 for general studies and 50 for the aptitude test. We've invested a lot of time in preparing each test so that it feels just like the real deal, the same pressure, same difficulty and marks. But before you attempt these tests, practice, practice and practice some more with our massive collection of over 30,000 questions arranged by topic. You can also attempt quizzes featuring the previous year's questions from the past 3 decades. The best part? With each test and practice question, you'll receive immediate results and explanations guiding you through the logical reasoning behind every answer. You'll also get access to a complete suite of 8 simplified ebooks covering everything you need for the prelims in great detail. If you're old school and love the feel of printed pages, you can get hard copies at a special 25% discount within the course. We've handpicked lectures from many UPSC experts that will make every topic crystal clear. But if you're still feeling stuck, just head to the question and answer section to get clarifications and clear your doubts with our team of educators. And because we love going the extra mile, we've thrown in some sweet bonus materials like exam strategies, study plans, cheat sheets, recommended readings, reference materials, you name it, we've got it. You'll have access to the course with unlimited updates for 2 years. We'll keep updating our questions every year. So join the UPSC Prelims online course today and take a giant leap towards achieving your goal.